There may be a requirement on your site to identify or calculate the areas where you need to over excavate for a particular reason. In this case, maybe for a building pad, you need to have a certain amount of over excavation depth, either from a stratum or from a finished surface. So you can apply an over excavation and it will build an over excavation surface. On the takeoff tab, you have over excavation. When you run this command, you can specify the depth. You can specify a minimum depth beneath the original ground. You then select the line or the area which has to be a closed boundary. So if I've got this building pad, I can add that, and it's added that area. You can also set some over excavation limits, as well as define limit to top of stratum. So a couple different options and methods for doing this. Now once you apply that boundary and set the thickness, you then will build your takeoff surfaces again, and what this will do will build a new surface called over excavation, and you will see here that it is going to show that additional 3 feet in this case that I've specified for over X. So if I was to come over to my surface slicer, you can see it's adjusted that area, as well as provided me a surface here. So if I turn off this finished design, you can see that it's created that additional 3 feet within that building area. If I turn on my surfaces here of my adjusted subgrades adjusted here with topsoil absent, you'll see that that's the topsoil, but I've over excavated in my building area for that 3 feet from my finished design.